This is good news for Camtasia users. Camtasia has just introduced dynamic captions which are auto-transcribed. You don't need any additional software. Camtasia does it for you automatically. Here's how you can do it in Camtasia 2024. I've done a short recording, the introduction to this video. You can see my recording is down here. I'm going to go to the Captions tab on the left hand side. Up the top here I'm going to click on dynamic captions just there. There are some preset ones that you can use, and then obviously you can edit them afterwards. You can change the font, change the color and so on. I'm going to choose this one and I'm going to drag it down so it's just above my layer with sound and video on it, so it's on top of it so you can see it. If I click on play, this is good news for Camtasia users. Camtasia has just introduced listen to my voice and transcribe that into captions. Now if I want to, if it's got some of the words wrong, I can edit the text and I can change the words to make it match what I'm actually saying. It sometimes has trouble hearing me. Now one thing I found you need to do this is you need to click not on the dynamic captions layer, dynamic captions track. You need to click on the track that has your audio on it, and as you can see here, it's started to put the words up on the screen. So these are the words that are appearing on the screen there. If I want to change any of it, I don't know why it says gunshots there, so I'm going to delete that. If it's got any other words wrong, you just click in the box there and you just change the word that you want it to say instead. If you want to play with the font styles, click on the dynamic caption in the track listing here, and you can click up on the text over here and you can change your font, you can change your font color, you can change the style. The highlighted words that's popping up word for word, you can make it come up word for word or turn that off, and then you can change how you want the highlighted word to look. Do you want it to be filled with a different color? Do you want it to have a different color stroke around the outside? So if we don't want it to be green, we want it to be yellow, we can click on here. I'm going to choose yellow. That doesn't look very good, does it? So let's maybe undo that, and let's go back. So I want to make it red. I'm going to click on red, I'm going to choose red. I'm going to highlight any of the words in red. If I go back and see how that looks again. This is good news for Camtasia users. Looks quite nice like that. Also it's made the caption fill much further than my actual audio and video track, so I'm just going to click on here and I'm going to shrink that down. Snap it to the end there. So that's how you do automatically generated dynamic captions in Camtasia 2024. It's a lovely feature. I'm going to start using it a lot in my videos. Hope you found that video useful. Thanks a lot for your time. I'll be back with some more videos soon. Cheers. Goodbye.